No words can console Parveena Farooq. 2 weeks ago, her only son Zahid was shot dead by an Indian security officer.
I remember him every day, all his naughty antics. I still can't believe that he's gone.
17-year-old Zahid was playing with his friends when a contingent from the Indian Border Security Force passed by. An officer shot at him after he allegedly called them names. His 15-year-old sister Farhad, still in shock, is demanding answers.
He didn't do anything. Then why was my brother killed? He never even took part in any protests.
What do you want for your brother? You want
Justice.
Zahid's death sparked outrage throughout Kashmir after Indian officials admitted for the first time that the boy was indeed killed by an official. Srinagar saw its biggest protests in the days ahead. Incidents like these have created distrust between the locals and the security forces in Kashmir. And it's this anger that sees young Kashmiris taking matters into their own hands.
The protesters that you see behind me are mostly young boys, and they're throwing stones at Indian security forces, shouting that they're constantly frustrated with uncertainties in their life. Child scenes like these are so common in Kashmir that they've become a part of people's everyday life.
Fed up, the forces storm in, pelting tear gas shells to disperse the crowds. Despite the tight security, Kashmir remains one of the most volatile regions in the world. Decades of insurgency have left thousands dead, and 3 wars between India and Pakistan have been fought over it. Many here just want to be left alone and in peace. But for Parveena Farooq, it's too late for that. She enters Zahid's room for the first time since his death. Clutching a favorite photo, she refuses to believe he's gone. Outside, seeing our cameras, Zahid's neighbors and friends gather for an impromptu protest. They demand justice for his death. Amid the grief, many here still hope that peace may return one day and pray that their land will see better days ahead. Prerna Suri, Al Jazeera, Srinagar in Indian-administered Kashmir.